Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a guitar tutorial of one of the greatest guitar riffs of the 80s. First of all, I want to tell you an extremely important thing, that my guitar is tuned down half step. So if you want to play along with me, you have to tune it down half step. Otherwise, you can also play with your standard tuning without any problem, because the positions are the same. And then I ask you, please, if you want to support my channel, please like, subscribe, leave me a comment, and take a look to my online web shop. So, with all that said, let's go with the tutorial. Okay guys, I decided to make this tutorial because I see so many guitarists playing this guitar riff in the wrong way, and I think it deserves a better quality when played live by cover bands and tribute bands and so on. Okay, I will show you the 4 chords that make the funky rhythm. First of all, I tell you that this riff have to be played with a delay. So I switch off the delay and I will play the riff without it. 3, 4. Okay, these are the only strums that you have to do, and the rest of the riff is made by the delay. I will switch it on and I will repeat the riff 3, 4. Without the delay is, with the delay, and without the delay is. Okay, so let's move on with the first chord, that is this one. You are in the fret number 9 with the index finger on the 4th string, then the ring finger on fret number 11 and string number 3 here, then the middle finger on the fret number 10 and the 2nd string, and the last one is the pinky on the fret number 12 and the 1st string here. Okay, this is the first chord. The second chord is this one. You have to put off your pinky, and you have to put your middle finger down here in the fret number 10. And you have to do a barré with the index finger. Then we have the third chord that is very simple. You have to push down here at the fret number 12, all number 12, the first 3 strings, and the last chord is this, the index finger on the fret number 9 and the string number 4, the pinky fret number 11, string number 3, then the middle finger and the ring finger both in fret number 10 on the first and second string here. So I will repeat all the 4 chords without the delay. 3, 4. And this is with the delay. 3, 4. So guys, thank you for watching, and if you have some question, comment, or whatever you want, please write down here in the comments, and see you on the next video. Bye!